Hello, just arrived in Eeklo, Belgium, where this boat anyway has been refurbished to an electric boat. So this was a student project and the goal was to develop a propulsion system with big torque so we could use a big propeller for high power at low RPMs. Continuous torque of this motor is about 120 newton meters and peak torque is above 200 newton meters, so these are really high values for an air-cooled inboard, so no water cooling at all. So let's jump inside the boat and I take you through the complete propulsion system. We have this classic interior, but beneath there's some really nice technology. First thing you might have noticed is this blue box here. This is the battery monitor. So we see 106 volts now on the batteries. The total current is now 20 amps charging. So we are connected to the shore and battery percentage is now 62%. We also connected this inverter to the propulsion battery, so we have big power for electric cooking and propulsion. Beneath this cover is where the magic happens. Let's have a look. 200 amps hours at 48 volts. So both boxes are also connected via communication cable. So the master BMS is always checking the health of the slave BMS. So this is a 15 kilowatt continuous power air-cooled permanent magnet motor. So you see also the motor controller is air-cooled. We use this coupling with a truss bearing here. There's an Albright main contactor here. We also installed this ventilator. This one is connected to the motor controller, so it jumps on at the moment that motor controller is hotter than 50 degrees. So let's give it a spin now. So here's the key. When we switch the key, we hear the main contactor there click. And now we can actually give throttle. Here's the RPM monitor. So that's 230. And you can hear it's really silent, almost no noise. And we push it a bit higher. So that's 550. So this is 550. Let's have a look inside and look at the power consumption. But you can see the boat is actually quite overpowered because we can go up to 900. So normal power consumption at 550 would be more like 25 than 35 amps. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching.